Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to link pages together in Notion. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So if you wanted to link a page within a specific page here on your Notion, all you have to do is to just basically go to that page where you want to link your pages. For example, I'm going to create a template here or one page here. I'm going to add or I'm going to apply one of the templates in Notion. Let's just say on this page, I will be creating my daily task management. So I will look for the template for daily task management. Once I found it, I just have to click and then I have to tap on add. Wait for a couple of seconds and it will be added here as a new page. So for example, I want to add another or link another page here. For example, the weekly schedule. All I have to do is to tap and then type slash, look for link pages, tap this one, and I can now choose the page which I wanted to add here on my specific or main page. So that's how easy it is. All you have to do is to type slash, type link pages, and the pages that you have created will automatically appear. And all you have to do is select that one. Again, slash link page, and then look for the specific page or pages which you want to add here on the main page. And basically, that's how easy it is to link pages together in Notion. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.